Welcome students for today's video tutorial. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Today let us study the second chapter, an introduction to graphical user interface operating system. Students, if you remember in our previous class, we learned about software. In that we saw there are two types of software, system software and application software. In system software we saw that operating system is that part of system software which makes the computer run. It manages all the input and output operations. Let us learn more about exactly what is operating system. So this is operating system. It is a set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. Without operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. It is the operating system which acts as a link between the user and the hardware. These are the examples of operating system: Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Linux. These are the most common operating system which are in use. Now, user interface or interface. The commands or menus through which a user communicates with an external device or program are called user interface or simply interface. Now there are two types of user interfaces. Command line interface, which is known as CLI. Second one is graphical user interface or GUI. Command line interface or CLI. Command line interface is a text-based user interface used to view and manage computer files. The user or one who operates the computer types text-based commands using the keyboard to instruct the computer to take. Every command line interface has a command prompt which is displayed when the interface is ready to accept a command. Now when we work on command line interface or CLI, our screen will look this way. Those are the command text-based commands typed by the user. Second one is graphical user interface, which is what we are going to learn about. GUI or GUI is a visual way of interacting with a computer using items such as windows, icons and menus used by most modern operating systems. Like we use mouse and keyboard. Unlike command line interface, we do not need mouse. We need, however, keyboard. But here in graphical user interface, we need mouse and keyboard. And when we work on graphical user interface, we will have the screen this way. Now students, Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft Word's leading software company. It provides a graphical user interface that makes the interaction between the computer and the user easy. This is most commonly used today. And Windows 7 is the most popular version of Windows and was released on 22nd October 2009. Now, next we learn about how to work on a computer. First, to switch on a computer, which are the steps that we must take? We should know well. First step is switch on the main power supply. Secondly, we have to switch on the UPS button. Third, we have to switch on the CPU button. Fourth, we have to switch on the monitor. So this is the steps to start a computer. Now let us learn about desktop and its components. As we open the window, we will find the screen or the desktop as you see in the screen. And what do we find? Icons. Icons are the small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Next is taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. This is how when you open your computer you will find. That's the bottom of the desktop. And in the taskbar you will find notification area, right side of the taskbar. It includes clock, network connectivity, incoming mails, show desktop button, etc. Next we have at the left side start button, which gives quick access to documents, Windows applications and other applications. So today up to now we have learned what is operating system. It is a set of programs which manages all the jobs of the computer and makes it run. And without operating system, a computer cannot work on its own. These are the examples of operating system. And in that we saw user interface means graphical user interface and command line interface. Two types of user interfaces. And command line interface is text based user interface and one of the oldest form. Graphical user interface is today what we are using. It is very useful and Windows 7 is the most common operating system. Now we also learned how to switch on a computer, the steps. And we also learn what are the components of the desktop, icons, taskbar, notification area, start button. So we shall continue the rest of the topics in the next video.